We have this question here, and the answer is yes. You can have crack on your wall on a suspended floor, but on the ground you don't have any crack. It means that your foundation is intact, but the member that was provided that is bearing that wall have failed. It's either the failure could be that the member is insufficient in dimension or in reinforcement or generally in concrete grade. So when you have this type of circumstance, of course, you can classify this as serviceability limit state of cracking or deflection. So any of those. So, but then this is serviceable, and it is because the member have failed. So you can work on it. Of course, the structure is designed such that even if a member fail, you can remove the member and replace without, affecting other members around. This type of failure is usually very visible from the bottom of the beam. If you look at the bottom of the beam, assuming that's a frame structure, if you look at the bottom of the beam, you'll be seeing cracks that is more than 0.3 mm. Or if you go to the top of the building, if you go to the up floor, you will see if there is a wall that is being laid there, you will see a crack on the wall. You will see a crack on the wall that is still in the ranging of 0.03 or mm or something thereabout. You see a crack. It just means that the member provided have failed. Now, if you are looking at general failure in terms of crack, the only major way you can see crack in your building is by unequal settlement in terms of foundation. When you have unequal settlement, if it is a major unequal settlement, even chaining cannot stop it. Your lintel cannot stop it. The crack will project all through. So the lintel will provide, or chaining will provide sometimes, is just to stop if there is any minor settlement. But if there is any major settlement, I bet you lintel chaining cannot stop it. It cannot stop it. It does not mean that it cannot be serviced as well. Of course, we should always bear in mind our ultimate limit state while executing or designing.